how to add money to your Venmo account. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your Venmo, and after that you need to add a bank or debit card to your Venmo account first. After adding that, simply click on your profile, then select the option of wallet. Then you would be able to find the option of manage or transfer for some devices. Simply click on it, then click on the option of add money. After that, select the option through which you want to add the money, whether bank or debit card, direct deposit or the check deposit. Simply select any of the option which is suitable to you. In case if you have added your bank or debit card, simply select it. After that, you need to type the amount that you want to add to your Venmo account. After that, click on next and review your transaction. After that, click on add. And this way you would be able to add or deposit the money in your Venmo account. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.